So you want to know how to create a YouTube thumbnail using Canva. Now it is very simple and very straightforward using Canva more than any other software that is used to do some of this work like Photoshop. Photoshop is a bit difficult. Canva makes your work so easy. Now in this video I'm going to show you exactly how to create a YouTube thumbnail using Canva, and with this tutorial you're also going to get to know how to edit even other posters and logos and presentations using Canva, because the steps are all the same. So welcome again, I'm Manuel Loyal Jr., and if you're an online marketer, you're a small business owner, you do some online entrepreneurship, then this video is for you. So if you haven't logged into Canva, if you don't have a Canva account, I'm going to drop a link below. Now Canva is free, so you're not going to pay anything. The free version works fine for everybody, for all beginners and advanced alike. Of course, it's an upgrade if you want to upgrade, but the free version is just working quite fine. So if you haven't, click the link below and log into Canva. You'll be introduced to this page. Just log in using either your Gmail account or your Facebook and you're in. Okay, so let's get to the video. So now we want to create, for example, a YouTube thumbnail. Now I'm going to use a YouTube thumbnail to show you how to edit things in Canva. So this is what you do first. Let's type in YouTube thumbnail. So in the search button, just type what you want. So me, I want YouTube thumbnail, so I type YouTube, then it gives me options here, so I can just pick on thumbnail there, and then I click on thumbnail and it loads for me. It gives me the YouTube thumbnail with the exact dimension that Google wants us to upload YouTube thumbnails, and we're here. So once you're here, it's very simple. Now all these are free templates that you can use to create your YouTube thumbnail, but for people who have a brand like me and you want to make sure that you pick a color that goes with your brand. So if my brand is black, I'm going to pick on color black, therefore I can get all the free templates or thumbnails that have black color. So then I kind of choose what I looks like what I want. So let's say so which one is more attractive here? Okay, let me just go with this. I think I love this. So it always loads on the next window, and then we are in the editing version of Canva. Now it's just taking time to load, but that is because I have an issue with my internet. All right, anyway, we are here now. All right, so let me quickly take you through what's going on here. Now this is your output. Here you'll always see the output of what you are doing to whatever you're creating. In this case, it's a YouTube thumbnail. Now on top here, you can always click this to go back to home, and then you have your files here. Then you can do this to resize. Now if I click something here, and then maybe I delete that, so I've deleted that wording. Now if I want to get it back, there is the red undo button here. So if I click on that, undo. So that's the first thing you've learned. There's an undo button on the top of the editing part of Canva. All right, so you can let's change the name here what you want. You can, let's say this is thumbnail trial. So you're going to name this thumbnail trial 1, whatever. Yeah, just whatever name you want to give it. And then of course this is going to be where you're going to download your thumbnail. But before we download, let's try and do some editing. All right, so let's focus on the left side of Canva. Now the left side of Canva has here templates. So now here we have more templates, and again you can choose. If this template doesn't interest you, you can always type here whatever template you want. So let's say I want food, the food niche, so I want a food YouTube thumbnail, and voila, it gives me all these thumbnails. So you can come here and then choose all these are free thumbnails. Just click on that, and then it loads for you this. Oh, this looks nice. So these are free food thumbnails. So if whatever your niche is, just type it here, then it gives you the examples or free templates for that particular niche. That's about thumbnails, templates, and they go down and down. Now if you want to upload, for example, you have a video or a picture or maybe your logo you want to upload, you can let's click on this button, then it brings you here. So these are the previous images that I've uploaded into my Canva account. Now if you want to upload an image, a video, or an audio, just come here, then say upload. So you click upload, and then maybe from your device, just click device, and there you have. So just click what you want, and then it will bring you here. Now you can even upload from Facebook, from Google Drive, from Dropbox, or from Instagram. So that is how you upload things on Canva that you want to use for whatever you're designing on the right side here. You can also upload videos and audios. All right, so let's say you want to add some photos. You always have free photos here. Let's say you want to add more food photos to this thumbnail. So you can always do this. Instead of this, maybe you say, I love this more. Or let's try and check what, okay, I love this. Let's try this. See, I've changed that. So now I have a new picture of some food there, fruits. Or maybe let's try another one. Let's try this. Yeah, so there, just drag it and drop it in that space where the previous one was. If I want to go back, I just come up here and then I just undo like that and I go back. So let's say you wanted to add a picture of a face of somebody. Let's see that, what it brings. You can add anything. Yeah, is anybody eating here? Okay, there's nobody eating in these pictures, but you can always look for what you want. Oh, I love this guy. There's a paid version, so you can always use these people wherever you want to use them. So maybe this guy is wondering how nice that food is, something like that. Alright, so that's on photos. You can type anything you want here and it'll give you all those free photos that you want. There's the paid photos and there's the free photos, but you're good to go with the free photos. Then we have elements. This is now the exciting part about Canva. So you can add so many elements. Look at this. You can add arrows, word stickers. You can add shape stickers. You can add head, arrows, food stickers. Or let's look at that food stickers. Now that we are in a food thumbnail. Amazing. Look at this. So we can even add this. It's like a GIF. We have some food here, some food stickers here. You can just add the way you want. If you want to add something, just double click. Let's add this. It's a burger. Let's see what that one does. So there. So just added that. That looks so nice. So let me undo that. Let's all right, so you've said those are food stickers. Maybe it won't be so necessary for this particular thumbnail. And then you can use arrows. If you want arrows, for example, just right click, double click on that, and then okay, let me just delete this one first. So this is my arrow. Let's say I wanted to point at this guy. This arrow, just do that, and then maybe I wanted to delete this. I want to remove that guy. I want to put this guy here. Okay. Then so this I'm editing. So if you want to, for example, drag somebody, just click on this guy. For example, let's say I want to move this person, just click on him and then I move him wherever I want. I can even put him there. If I don't want this, I just highlight it and then click on delete. So I want this person here. This guy is wondering how this food is good. Then I want an arrow to point at him. If I want this arrow to point at his face, I just come here. You see this? Just hover around this, then it changes. Then I can do that. See, then I can just move it and point at his face like that. All right, so our thumbnail is coming up well. This guy is wondering how nice this food is. And then so you can always add arrows, you can add some features, you can even add some lines, some shapes if you want, frames. You can add frames, stickers, whatever, the way you want to edit it. So let's say you want to edit this and say, so let's edit this. So this is a El Chapo Taco Bell food joint. So this is El Chapo's Taco Bell food joint. Okay, so maybe you want to add something here, like say taste the freedom. Yeah, so this is a Taco Bell. So maybe this is an ad this is a thumbnail you're going to put for some video you're creating, something like that. So El Chapo Taco Bell food joint, taste the freedom. So this guy is wondering, and there's some food here. Oh, this is a nice thumbnail. Yeah. Now you can even add emojis. Let's say you want to add some emojis on our thumbnail here. So let's see nice emojis. So you can even add emojis. You can just double click on that, then the emoji comes. And if you want to put it there, just highlight it, drag it. If you want to minimize it, just click on that. So if you want to maximize it again, just click on that. If you want to minimize, just do that, and then you highlight it to drag it wherever you want it to be. All right, if you want to remove it, just highlight it and then delete. All right, so text. Let's say you want to add some text. Now there's so many text versions here that you can use, so many text. Look at all this: free delivery, different text fonts and styles that you can put on your thumbnail here, or whatever you're creating. Sell, maybe this is a sell. Right click on this, it brings you here. Okay, so then you can drag it and move it wherever you want, but I'm not going to do that. I'm just going to hover here and take it back to how it was, like that. All right, so you have several text here that you can choose from to create your YouTube thumbnail or whatever thing that you're creating. And then we have music, so it also gives you free music if you want some music for yourself. All right, so let's say this is what we wanted to create, and now this is well done. So we just want to download it and put it as our YouTube thumbnail. So just come here and then you click download. So if you click download like that, it brings you here. So you can always choose this, but you're not going to choose this most of the time. You're just going to click download and then it will download for you. So I'm not going to download this because I'm not going to use this. I'm not even in the food niche anyway. All right, so I hope you've gotten some content out of this. I hope now you've understand how some of these icons here work. You've understood how this one works, and you've even seen how easy, simple to edit some of these features or thumbnails or whatever you're creating on Canva, excuse me. Now in the next video, let's get deep into even how to make better creativity for in your Canva account. All right, if you like it, please subscribe and don't forget to hit the bell notification so that I can give you more of this great content. See you in the next video.